all, thank you that you are here. I want to ask you, what are you thinking about develop online advertising in Bulgaria?
I'm sorry. Develop the development of online advertising?
Yes, in Bulgaria here.
I don't have an opinion about that because I don't know it. Let me think. If you ask me what I feel about the development of online marketing here in Bulgaria, I cannot speak from own experience, but what I know about my colleagues is that they're doing a great deal of work here at IKEA Bulgaria. But looking at this conference, I feel that a lot of people have passion for it, and it's professional and set up, and they're very eager to learn. So I think it will work out perfectly.
How are you feeling about this conference actually? Do you like it? Yes, what can you say about it?
Yeah, it's my honor to be here at this conference here in Sofia. I really like that there's so many people coming together again physically to get inspired and get engaged, and I think that it's a wonderful opportunity to connect. So it looks wonderful, and I think it will be a great success.
Is that your first time in Sofia? Have you ever been in Bulgaria?
No, it's my first time in Sofia and in Bulgaria. I have wishes to go here with the camper van and travel along the coast of the Black Sea. So I definitely will be back.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that. And last question, how can you describe this conference with 3 words?
Describing in 3 words, I think energizing, open, and interacting.
Thank you very much for your time and you are here.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.